Hey guys, this is Geethanjali. In today's video, we'll be learning about another type of genetic drift, that is bottleneck effect. So in the previous video, we dealt with founder effect, and this bottleneck effect is also a genetic drift like founder neck effect, and it also happens randomly by chance, but in a different way. So basically, whenever there is a natural disaster, we know that in a natural disaster, any individual can get killed, and we cannot firmly say that only these particular individuals will get killed, or you know these particular individuals will not get killed. So in a natural disaster, individuals get killed randomly, right? And because of this, the population declines rapidly, and whoever is remaining in that population, whoever has survived, will now have the scope for evolving. So it's basically a survival of a group of random individuals during a natural disaster by chance. So let us take an example here. We have an original population over here, and each ball represents an individual, let us say. So the bottlenecking effect is basically any sort of uh, disaster. Okay, it can be an earthquake, or it can be pandemic, or anything, any sort of disease or predation, etc. So when this happens at a large scale, the original population gets affected so much that only very few of the population remains. So you can see the allele frequencies that were present in the original population are now drastically changed. And this bottleneck word is used to understand this effect with the metaphor of bottleneck, in which the balls, trying to reach down here out of the bottle through the bottleneck. Basically, the individuals surviving the natural disaster and finally ending up in the new population. That is why we use this bottleneck as a metaphor to understand this effect. Hope you understood the two kinds of genetic drifts, that is bottleneck effect and founder effect.